Exponential equation, question 4 of 5. 10 raised to the power minus 3x is equals to 1 over 1000. Here, to solve this, we are going to have 10 raised to the power minus 3x. 1 over 1000 same thing as 1000 raised to the power minus 1. From this rule of indices, s raised to the power minus n is equals to 1 over s raised to the power n. So from here, we can write this as this. So we also agree that 1000 is same thing as 10 raised to the power 3. Meaning here we can have 10 raised to the power minus 3x is equals to 10 raised to the power minus 3 all raised to the power we have 10 raised to the power 3 brackets minus 1. Here this is 10 raised to the power minus 3x is equals to 10 raised to the power minus 3. So here the base are equal. When the base are equal, we equate the power. So equate the power. When we equate the power, we have minus 3x is equals to minus 3. So here we need to get our x. We divide both sides by minus 3. Then we have minus 3x over minus 3 is equals to minus 3 over minus 3. Minus 3 will cancel out minus 3, are left with x. Then minus cancel minus 3, cancel 3, we have 1. Then we have x is equals to 1. Surely, goli.